Here we go. Let's take a look. There is the knife. And by the way, on all of these, we're going to have some paperwork. We're going to have a wiping cloth and usually additional hardware, as well as typically some variation of a koala sticker going on there as well. But let's see. Here we go. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Trestle D. All right, looks like we have that raindrop micarta going on this one, and that's exactly what we have. That deserves a 5x zoom right there. I want to say it's been making its way. This year, 2025, has been the year where a lot of companies have been experimenting with different material. We've seen the crystallized titanium being implemented by many different brands. And also this raindrop micarta, I believe Vosteed has been the first one to implement it. Now we're seeing it here with Kizer. And we got aluminum here on the bolsters, right? This one's going to be a more budget version of the more premium counterpart. And it looks like it's also a bit different here on the geometry. So let's go ahead and get it open here. Bam, boom. And the first thing that really jumps out at me is I'm noticing a more slim design. A slimmer design here on the handle. A slimmer design on the blade. There's going to be a drop point blade right here, as you can see. And it definitely gives me like drop bear vibes right there on the blade. It's also very similar to the new Tycho model that we looked at recently here that Kizer dropped. I want to say maybe last month or so. We'll do some size comparisons here for sure, but we have a flat grind going on there with the Nitro V steel. It's going to be a slicer for sure. And let's check out the walk and talk. Okay. All right, she is indeed, ladies and gentlemen, a loud one. We do have a nail neck on the blade, but definitely plenty of room here to pinch and pull. And that pull is going to be around maybe like a 4, around a 4 or 5 out of 10. So that's solid, right? There's your half stop, maybe like 95 degrees or so, right? Maybe 100 degree half stop. And then bam, there's your full open there, of course, with the back spring. It being a slip joint, right? Traditional slip joint folding knife. Speaking of the ergos, they're going to be pretty nice and solid. No pocket clip in sight. These are going to be great to carry with a leather slip of your choice instead of just throwing it in the pocket and just having it dangle everywhere. But yeah, definitely very, very nice on hand. Got some jimping here on the blade also. Able to get a full 4-finger grip here with my average size hands. So that absolutely fits the bill there. Got a lanyard solution back here for my lanyard people. And of course, that very nice popping raindrop blue micarta going on. It's got a little bit of a blue, a gray, lighter gray. Right, absolutely looks very, very nice. Good fit and finish all throughout. Having some good quality as you would expect from Kizer knife. So let's do a quick just rapid fire size comparison. This is the OG Trestle here. I believe these have titanium bolsters. So you have titanium here and now aluminum on the new Trestle D. And here's another variant, right? More premium with a Damascus blade. And you can see sort of the similarities of the handle, but a little bit smaller there on this new variation. But that blade does remind me a lot of the Tycho as well. Right, very drop bear-ish. After all, Aso Design is the guy who designed all of these. So there you go. Just wanted to kind of give you a little bit more of other variants that you perhaps already know about, or maybe you didn't know, just kind of putting them in your radar so you can see them here side by side. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.